Hello everyone, welcome back to another live trading session, and we're taking a buy from this rejection block, and as usual we are using the rejection block to buy. And yeah, let's see guys, I couldn't upload video to you because I was too much video. I couldn't record the video, I was busy. So yeah, let's see how this trade goes. We're taking this buy. Yeah, we're taking this buy. Let's see how it goes. I'm expecting the full TP from here, you know. Let's see, bro. It's going quite slow. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? It's reversing from here. What? It should go up. This was a valid rejection block, yeah? What the hell is that, bro? Should I increase my stop loss? No, the stop loss is here in a good level, bro. The market should reverse from here, you know? Let's see. What's happening, bro? What's happening? Okay, it's reversing again, guys. I told you it's a valid zone. I was pretty much scared because the market was reversing too hard. Let's see. I'm expecting the full TP. Saying again, I'm expecting the full TP. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, it's going up once again. It will go up, bro. I know that. This is my level, bro. It never get failed, bro. It will go too much up. Let's see. Okay, it's showing a good move. Okay, it's breaking, yeah. So I'm expecting the full TP. Okay, it's breaking the shit, bro. I knew that. It will give us the full TP. I'm confident, bro. Let's see what happens next, okay? Should I mute my microphone? Should I mute it? Okay, no need. If I say something bad, just accept it, okay? Because the situation is when I'm taking trade, I feel too excited or I get emotional sometimes. But you will feel what a trader feels when no worries. Let's see, let the trade run, bro. Okay, it's breaking. It's breaking. Oh, it's giving us almost the TP, bro. Let's see. We are eating the TP, bro. Let's go. It's just 5 minutes and it's kind of hitting our TP. This was a valid zone and we are hitting that TP, bro. Let's see. Yo. Bro, go. Move up, bro. Bro, move up, bro, move up. Yo, let's go. we're hitting the TP. Maybe today's live session is gonna end now. It's just moving hard, bro. Let's see. It's 5 minutes and it's gonna hit the TP. Let's go. This is a good session to trade, bro. This just took the liquidity and we entered and we're getting a good profit, bro. We're getting a good profit, bro. Let's go. We will increase the TP if we get the opportunity, okay? We will increase the TP if we get the opportunity. So let's see what happens next year. La 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 la. Okay, it's moving her. It's moving hard, bro. 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 Bro, it's reversing. Why, bro? Well, market is reversing. Bro, please go up. Let's go. We're gonna hit the TP. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. If we hit the TP, I will just book 80% of the profit and increase the TP to more upside. Let's see, guys. Let's see. La 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 la. Bro, hit the TP. Hit the TP, bro. Yo. I don't give a hell. You have to hit my TP, bro. Bro, you have to tip. No, bro, you have to hit my TP, bro. Hit the fucking TP. Okay, quick, let's go. Let's go to the TP. First TP hit, guys. First TP almost hit, guys. first TP. I'm feeling sleepy. Oh my god. This is sick. This is sick, guys. What the it's reversing from here? It's reversing from here. So yeah, let's see. We're almost close to the TP. As I said, I will book my 80% profit and I will increase the TP to upside. Let's see, guys. I'll increase my TP. Okay, the finally official TP is hit. So now we will just increase the TP a little bit up so that we can get more profit, more and more profit. So here I will tell my editor to oh my god, I will tell my editor to increase the video speed, and I'm pretty much sure it's gonna go more up if it breaks. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So guys, we finally hit the TP, and let's go. See you in the next one. If you wanna get this kind of signal, you can join my Telegram channel and you can join my VIP link in bio, and you can DM me for the membership and for getting the VIP. See you in the next live trading session video. Peace out.